Just a very short video about a macro in Excel. Excuse the background noise, but it's very bad these days. Okay, you can read on the screen. I have a lot of values that change over time, and if I select there, I want a button to change that value up and down, like a spin button or any kind of button. The problem is most of the people and most of the videos, and actually very few videos I saw so far, used the ActiveCell function. So if I say I want to insert a button like this over here, and we make it like a plus sign, and we change the font size so that we can have a little bit larger type of thing, and we draw it over here with a minus sign inside. Okay, we say this one is the plus button. Okay, make it C plus, and this one is your C minus. Now you have two buttons. You have to assign a macro to it. Then it became rectangle rounded 3 blah blah blah. So you didn't change this. You have to say it's C plus enter. If you do this, you have enter there. So you have to assign a macro. C plus click. You could say it's a new one, a reference not value. Wow, why not? Why? Maybe there's another C plus click one. Let's see. Yes, so there must be somewhere a new C plus one. So then you make it a double C plus, and the same with your minus, just for in case. Okay, just for your just for in case. So now we have two. So if you say assign a macro C plus new, and there it goes. Then you have to say ActiveCell dot value. You select it, highlight selected, copy equals pasted plus 1. Sorry, that's a minus, so it's minus 1. You can copy the whole thing. You go back to your sheet and you right click on this one, C plus, new, and you paste it and you just say plus. So when you run this, let's say we select the 3 on red, new plus, it will be plus. When you select the yellow one and you say minus, it will minus for you, no matter where you stand. That is one of the easiest ways to do this. If you want a spin button where you don't have or want to use this, there are two kinds of spin buttons. The one is your form control and the other one is your active control. The difference between the form control and the active button is this one. If you do this and you want to see properties, size, you cannot rotate it. That's one of the problems there. So I almost never use the form control. I only use the active X. So if you want, like now it's a horizontal, let us see, that's automatic. You can go to properties, you can say form automatic, you can say no, I want it vertical, or you can copy it over and you can say no, and the second one I want horizontal. You can make it large, you can do whatever you want to with it. You can even, if you now are here and you double click, you just remember design mode must be on. When you double click it, it's already over here. So spin button 1, we don't want to use change, we want spin up and spin down over here. So maybe the spin down is as you can see, there's already other values changes, but specific range values that changes. So this one I just pasted because I already copied from the other one. So active cell is spin down is a plus, and for the spin up is a minus. So when you run this, forget about that one, change your design mode off, and we say 10 will go down, will go up. You can change the two. All you have to do is you put it on again, double click on it, and change the values on the side. And there you have it. Just save it, close it, change it, go to 16, and now it will go up and down. That's the easiest way I can think of to change different values at different cells without having thousands or every line button. And on this side, when you hold the button, it go up continuously. If you do it on this side, it will only go once. You can of course change the value, but that is something else. Thank you very much.